Hi everyone, I'm Mike with Gander Outdoors, and today I'll be talking about the SIG Sauer 1911 Emperor Scorpion handgun. Featuring Hogue grips and ambidextrous thumb safety, the Emperor Scorpion rests comfortably in any hand. The PVD-coated stainless steel slide and frame are up to the task of firing hundreds of thousands of rounds. It also features low-profile SIG light night sights, a skeletonized trigger, and hammer. The SIG Sauer Emperor Scorpion is mission-ready and won't let you down. Thanks for watching. For more information on this product and many more, check out some of our other videos.